How to fix Sling authorization error. 1. Check for potential content or server-specific issues. 2. Log out of Sling TV. 3. Update your Sling TV app or browser on your PC. 3.1 in Amazon. Fire TV. 3.2 Android TV / Air TV Manir / Air TV Player, launch Google Play Store My Apps list. 3.3. LG TV, settings all settings general about this TV enable allow automatic update launch check for updates. 4. Perform a power cycle on your, above mentioned, device, Roku. 5. PC, uninstall and reinstall the Sling TV app. 6. PC, install. Widevine.